Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley split jacket frames. So let's get started. You're first going to want to turn your frames around, like if you're going to put them on. And once you've done that, go ahead and locate the nose pieces here and here. And these nose pieces actually flip up to unlatch the bottom section of the frame here. So we're going to start one nose piece at a time, pull up to unlatch it, and then just swing the bottom section of your frame out, slide the lens out, and you're good. Let's try the other side. Locate your nose piece here, pull up on that nose piece, and then we're just going to slide the bottom section of the frame out. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, you're going to want to locate the grooves here of the frames. And that's what we're going to be lining up our lenses to. Now today, I'm going to be installing my new Revo Ice Blue Seek Optics vented split jacket lenses. So we're going to start off with the inside grooves of the frame here. We're going to line up our lens, insert the lens into those grooves, then we're going to push up. Once you've done that, go ahead and swing the arm or the bottom portion of the frame back in and push down on your nose piece to get it to seat in or to lock into place. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate the inside grooves of the frame here and here. We are going to line up our lens to those grooves, push in or down, and then we're going to close up that bottom section of the frame like so. Once you've done that, go ahead and push down on the nose piece to get it to lock into place. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch, give it a nice little wipe down just to take off any impurities that might have been left behind during the installation. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, the lenses, or your frames, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.